Hi guys, and this is a new video about TikTok. So today we will show you how to remove or allow photosensitive videos on TikTok. So let's go to this app, and as you can check, right now we are on our profile page where we have to tap on the three lines icon at the top of the screen. Later, let's pick on settings and privacy and choose the accessibility option. Amazing, right now we have such a feature as remove photosensitive videos, and of course below we have the special explanation, the text, remove videos using effects that may trigger photosensitive seizures. So of course, as you can see, such videos was smoothly deleted. To turn on this feature, let's pick on the toggle opposite, and if this toggle is green, it means that this option is turned on. To disable it, let's pick on this switch again, and when it's gray, it means that the option is disabled. To smoothly save all of the changes, let's pick on the arrow at the top of the screen, and in this way we are on our profile page where we can smoothly refresh. So guys, if this video was useful and interesting, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and of course TikTok, HardReset.Info channels. Bye bye!